What with the discharge of the iPhone X, the iPhone 7's been relegated as Apple's flagship. It's miles, however, nevertheless a stellar handset, and at a far more affordable price. Sure, you'll ought to fare without Wi-Fi charging or facial ID, but at a reduced down charge the iPhone 7 is well worth a few extreme attention. With Christmas simply around the nook, the sleek iPhone May 7th want to make the correct gift for just about each person: the romantic, rose gold, the suave, jet black, or the downright brazen, gold. If you do determine to go with this highly commendable smartphone, you have got one greater decision to make: what iPhone 7 shade do you choose? Right here we'll lay out the 5 color alternatives available for the iPhone 7 right now. In no precise order, by the way. By means of far the high quality looking end you can get, jet black is also one of the most fragile. Jet black iPhone 7s have been hard to get a preserve of at release, and despite the fact that they're extra famous now, they nevertheless scratch very effortlessly. If like me, you prefer shape over characteristic, you'll always want a jet black handset. The iPhone 7 comes in a traditional gold coloration, but it's extra of a champagne if we're being sincere. Either manner, it's a bit flashy, but if you're spending over £500 on a few hardware, you've were given an excuse. There's no longer tons to say right here, is there? If you pass for a silver iPhone 7, your handset won't stand out, but it's not something you'll develop to hate either. Silver has continually seemed remarkable on Apple merchandise, and that doesn't change with the iPhone 7. In case you're after an interesting new tinge for your iPhone 7, it's worth checking out rose gold. Pics make it appearance pretty crimson, but in truth, it's a greater muted. The effect? The iPhone's white antenna strains are quite distinguished, which isn't sincerely a terrific or a horrific component. They're pretty lots invisible on the silver model, so it's something to reflect on, consideration on.